Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS compatibility and freeing at least 10 GB so installs don't fail. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to validate the Office 365 license because activation prevents feature limits. Then download the official installer and run it. Mac OS will request permissions, allow them in System Preferences. Make sure to enable installer access to accessibility and full disk access if prompted, so Office can integrate with Mac OS features like spell check and OneDrive syncing. You next open any Office app and sign in to activate features and link your identity. This syncs settings and licenses across devices. Then install and configure OneDrive, choose which folders to sync and enable files on demand to save disk space. Make sure autosave is on for documents stored in OneDrive to prevent data loss. You should also set default save locations and adjust templates and ribbon preferences so your workflows are consistent. These settings reduce friction when you move between Macbook and other devices. You finish by enabling Microsoft Auto Update and installing the latest builds to get security and feature fixes. This prevents odd behavior. If activation or sign-in fails, restart the MacBook, update Mac OS and Office, and clear cached credentials in Keychain Access before retrying, because leftover tokens often block login. If an app crashes, launch it in safe mode, test without add-ins, then reinstall Office if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: check OneDrive sync status first. Many issues stem from unsynced files.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.